Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on a 2007 Honda Civic. Problem we got here is the customer, when he's trying to lock the car. On these cars, when you press the lock button twice, you could hear the beep going on when the alarm activates on the car. Also, when you're driving, if you guys can hear it, every time you stop and you go over about 10 miles an hour, the door locks always actuate on it. I don't know if you guys could hear that in the video. It keeps trying to lock itself. So we're gonna dig through this. My guess is that probably somebody was in here before and left something loose, or possibly a cable breaking on one of the door lock latches from the inside. So let's go through this, open this thing up, and let's see what's going on in here. I know a lot of you guys are experiencing the symptom with your car and unable to get it to lock, and I know it can get annoying when you're driving and your locks keep going on and off on it. Let's take a look, go through it, and let's see what we find. Alright, so let's see what's going on inside this thing. So I already took the door panel apart. I'll put a link in the description on how to take out the door panel on this, if you guys don't know how to. So let's look in here and see what we got going on. So as you can see right away, if you look at this cable here, this plastic piece on it is broken, and this is supposed to latch onto here. It's supposed to keep the rubber part of the cable from moving when you tug on the metal part of it. So right off the bat, this is most likely what's causing that locking issue that we got going on. So now let's go through it, and I'll show you guys how to replace that. So you undo these clips over here to take that out. And this guy has got a clip on the top. Push that one down, take that big clip out the way, pull that guy out like that, take the little clip out, that guy comes out. Now we'll put our door panel to the side. Alright, so now what we got to do is we got to take out the actual door latch assembly to give us a room to work over there. So undo this clip over here, and then we want to take out this screw here. And then we got 3 screws on the outside here. And after we undo that guy, this gives us some room to pull this guy to the side to get to where we need to. So if you look here, these cables go inside of the latch. And there's actually an access cover. We take out this screw here, and this guy pops out, and then we can change this cable out of there. We already did that part for demonstration purposes of the video, and we already replaced the cable. If you guys look here, this is how it's supposed to be, all one piece. If you guys are looking for the part number on that one, this is the OEM part number from Honda. So we're going to put this back together same way as it came out, and then we'll go on a test drive and make sure that it fixed the problem. Alright, so let's test this bad boy out now and see what happens. So we're going to put it in drive, and then when we take off, it should lock. That's the first lock. Now that should be the only one. Let's stop again here and make sure it doesn't activate again. That's a good sign. Yeah, so what it was doing before is every time we'd stop and then we go again, reach about 9-10 miles an hour, it would activate. So as you can see, that is now gone, so problem is fixed. We're gonna do one more test here. So it passes that part. Also we had is every time we'd lock the car, you know, when you press the lock button twice, it's supposed to alarm everything and beep. Before it wasn't doing that. So let's try that. And there goes our successful beep. So yeah, if you guys are experiencing these symptoms and having these kind of issues with the door locks, check the cable inside of the door panel, and hopefully this video will help you guys out in fixing the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe.